Hi guys, just want to give you a little quick tip when you're working in the HISE code editor. So let me just zoom this in just to make it a bit easier for you guys to see this. Let's increase that font. So I have a little function here, and I've got this variable called row count, and it appears in a few places. Row count, there we go. And I've changed some stuff, and now I don't want it to be called row count anymore. I want to use this variable I. So I'm just going to show you how I'd quickly replace these, and the tool I'm going to use is the multiple select or multiple cursors or multi-edit. You could use find and replace as well, but I use this for lots of different purposes, so I thought I'd show you it, and you can just use it however suits you. So basically you highlight what you're interested in, so in this case row count, and then you just press Control and D. It might be Command D on a Mac, I'm not sure, but Control D, and it will select each instance. Every time you press Control D, it will add the next instance. So now I've got all of those selected, and I can use the cursor keys on my keyboard to move the editor cursor thing. So I'm going to move it to the end of the line, and then now I can delete this with the backspace key, and I'm editing each line at the same time. And now I'm going to type I, and now I've replaced all of those instances of that variable with I. So that was it guys, just a quick little tip to show you the multi-cursor edity thing. I'm sure it's got a proper name. I have lots of occasions where I find this to be really useful and quicker than a full find and replace type thing. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, hope you found it helpful. I'll see you next time.